Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your PDF file couldn't be printed. So the first thing that you can do is open your PDF file, and if you find some error on your PDF and you cannot print the file, you can just follow the steps. So the first thing that you can do is check whether or not the print setting is correct. So what you need to do is go to File, then click on Print, and in here you need to go to the advanced settings of the print. In here, just click on advanced, and you need to make sure that this is not checked, so print the file. So it means that you need to uncheck this. So because if you uncheck this, it will only print the file and it will show some error. So just uncheck this and click on OK. Then you can try to print the document. So that's the first option. And the second option is that you can just open the file, find the file on the File Explorer. You can just, for example, this is the file that I want to print. You can just not open the file, but right click on it and just direct print it in here. So you can just right click and find the print option in here. Then you can try to print the PDF on your computer. So that's pretty much all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.